I decided to change the seat out on my little backhoe here. It's a Bradco 3265. And here's the plate where it mounts. Pivots backwards when you're not using it. This is what the seat looked like. I came off of it. It's all bent up. When I bought the backhoe secondhand, it's already smashed up like this. So I decided not to fix it. Here's the cover that went on it. So went out and bought one of these at Tractor Supply. It's a low back plastic bucket seat. This is what it looks like. It's got a bunch of mounting holes in the bottom. Gave this a quick paint job. It's not great. These are the 4 holes. I had to enlarge a little bit because these didn't line up perfect. I could get 2, but not all 4. So I made these 4 holes a little bit bigger. And I picked these 4 threaded inserts to hook into. So now I can just screw this on here. I just pull forward, jump on. Looks like it'll work. When I fold it forward, just push forward. I've had it tight enough so that it'll just stay there. I can put this seat forward and backwards with no problem. When I'm driving the tractor, I'll have it up like that. So that's it.